Before installing this mount, please make sure you read the manual thoroughly. Tool check. To install this product, you will need an electronic stud finder, a pencil, a ruler, a level, a Phillips screwdriver, a socket wrench, a 3/16" drill bit for wood stud installations, and an electric drill. It's also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact customer service by calling 1-800-359-5520 to have the part sent directly to you. Step 1. Adjust the TV interface to fit the hole pattern of your TV. Use a tape measure or ruler to determine your TV's hole pattern size. Place the TV interface over the back of your TV, making sure the center column is aligned with the center of your TV. Adjust the brackets by pulling them out to the sides until you reach your desired width. Ensure the brackets are level with each other, then tighten the upper and lower fastener on each bracket with an Allen wrench. Do not over-tighten the fasteners. Step 2. Attach the TV brackets to the back of your TV. First, determine the diameter of the screw your television requires. Hand thread a screw into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another screw diameter until you have the correct size. The long screws should only be used with the long spacers, or they could damage your TV's internal components. For TVs with a flat or unobstructed back, proceed to Step 2-1. For TVs with an irregular or obstructed back, proceed to Steps 2-2 or 2-3. If you need extra space to accommodate cables, recesses, or protrusions, proceed to Steps 2-2 or 2-3. Only standard configurations are shown. For special applications, please contact customer service. Step 2-1. Attach the TV brackets to a TV with a flat or unobstructed back. Before beginning, make sure the locking tab on the center column of the TV plate is facing up. Thread the short bolt through the appropriate flat washer, the corresponding shoulder washer, and the bracket. Add a short spacer between the bracket and the TV. The shoulder washer will snap into the spacer when they are properly aligned. Step 2-2. Attach the TV brackets to a TV with a low curved back or an obstruction. Before beginning, make sure the locking tab on the center column of the TV plate is facing up. Thread the medium bolt through the appropriate flat washer, the corresponding shoulder washer, and the bracket. Add a medium spacer between the bracket and the TV. The shoulder washer will snap into the spacer when they are properly aligned. Step 2-3. Attach the TV brackets to a TV with a high curved back or an obstruction. Before beginning, make sure the locking tab on the center column of the TV plate is facing up. Thread the long bolt through the appropriate flat washer, the corresponding shoulder washer, and the bracket. Add a long spacer between the bracket and the TV. The shoulder washer will snap into the spacer when they are properly aligned. Step 3. Attach the wall plate to the wall. For help determining the proper height to install your mount, visit the Sanus website at www.sanus.com and locate the Height Finder tool on the left side of the home page. Simply enter your TV and mount information, and Height Finder will calculate the optimum location to install your mount. Please note, for safe installation, the VXF220 can only be mounted to 2 wood studs 16 to 24 inches apart. Any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 5/8 an inch or 16 millimeters in thickness. Use an electronic stud finder to locate and mark 2 studs. It's a good idea to verify the stud location with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, hold the wall plate against the wall to verify the correct height for your mount. Once you choose a location, use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before marking 4 hole locations with a pencil, 2 in the top row of slots and 2 in the bottom. Drill 4 holes with the 3/16 inch drill bit to a depth of 3.5 inches. Position the wall plate so the arrow on the back side of the end cap is facing up. Attach the wall plate using the 4 lag bolts and lag bolt washers. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before tightening the bolts with the socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 4. Attach the arm assembly to the wall plate. Fit the pegs on the top of the arm assembly into the slots of the upper sliding car on the wall plate. Let the bottom of the arm assembly settle into the bottom sliding car. Make sure the bottom holes of the arm assembly are properly aligned with the holes in the lower sliding car. Thread 2 bolts into the holes on the top of the arm assembly and tighten them with an Allen wrench. Next, thread 2 bolts into the holes on the bottom of the arm assembly and tighten them with an Allen wrench. Step 5. Install the TV interface to the arm assembly. Tighten the tension adjustment rings to prevent the arms from moving while you're installing the TV interface. With the help of an assistant, lift the locking tab on the TV interface into the opening on the head of the arm assembly, letting it slide downward into place. There will be an audible click when the parts are correctly assembled. Secure the TV interface by threading the locking screw into the hole on the inside of the arm assembly. Step 6. Route and conceal your TV cables. Remove the upper arm covers by pressing down on the front of the cover. The rest of the cover will pop upward. Remove the screws holding the lower cover in place to free it from the arm. Pull each arm to its full extension, then gently thread your TV cables along the follow-through cable channel in each arm and through the elbows. Be sure to leave enough slack in the cables to allow the monitor to extend, retract, and swivel freely. When you're done routing your cables, replace the arm covers. Step 7. Adjust the tension. To adjust the left and right swivel tension, tighten or loosen the adjustment knob on the head of the arm assembly. To adjust the up and down tilt tension, tighten or loosen the knobs on the head of the arm assembly. To adjust the extend and retract tension, tighten or loosen the tension adjustment ring located on the elbow of each arm. To adjust the arm swivel tension, use an Allen wrench to tighten or loosen the screw located on the base of each arm. To adjust your TV's height, use an Allen wrench to tighten or loosen the ProSet bolt on the bottom of the head of the arm assembly until the TV is at your desired position. You are now free to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television. Thank you for your interest in this Sanus Vision Mount flat panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520.